Are you hungry? Do you want dinner? How about we do a bacon and cheddar pork chops in the air fryer? Now, this could be really good. You think so? For this, we're going to make these Marketside pork chops. They are stuffed with bacon and cheddar cheese. We're going to do them in the air fryer. Now, the cooking directions say 370 to 380 for 18 to 20 minutes. So we're going to try 375 for 19 minutes. We need to preheat our air fryer first. Now, we have our nonstick in here, but this one is on the cook the meat side, so that it's got little grave things for it. Grooves, that's what they're called. How these came out, how these come when you buy them. It looks pretty good. Switch this on this side, and then we don't want to waste our toppings. Can you go wrong with not enough chicken or cheese when making these? I don't think you can. Alright, now let's get this going. Halfway through. Ooh, look at that so far. I'm going to flip these over. Cook the other side. 9.5 minutes. Alright, now that these are done, let's see how they look. Ooh. But, are they up to temperature? We're looking for 145. That's in Celsius. 145 in Fahrenheit. 145. How about this one? $145. Okay. So now we're going to take these, put them on a plate, and cover it with tinfoil so that they can rest for 5 minutes. Always gotta make sure the meat's cooked to the right temperature so that nobody gets sick. Tinfoil hat on and wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of resting, this is how Angel came out. This is how they came out. Now let's make a plate, shall we? Without heart. That's not yours. So we got half a cup of coleslaw. And yes, I actually measure these out. Half a cup of coleslaw. Half a cup of potato salad. We're going to have double baked potato salad for this. And they say half of a pork chop is a serving. And there's our half a pork chop here. And now it's time to take a bite. the rind of our pork chop here. See the coloring on there? I highly recommend you try these if you haven't already. If you can leave a like and a comment and subscribe, it does help a lot. Hope you have a great night and wonderful eating.